Recording.
What?
It's recording.
Okay. So we just woke up and it's like 6:30 something when we woke up. The sleep last night. What do you think?
What? I slept alright once I switched to the back.
Man, sleeping in the car is not really for me. Man, it was hell. Like, and then we cover our window, trying to block the lights. And when the sun's come out, we couldn't really go back to sleep anymore. And then we just going to get back and hit the road again, and just get some BK. Yeah. And we just brush our teeth with bottled water. That's a level up, you know.
Yeah, I feel much better after that.
Yeah, but I hope we don't have to sleep in car next day or something like that. Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
Damn, look at that view. What do you think? Okay, so after an hour drive and runway 2, we finally see something at least. Like, we finally see something happening on our way. Welcome to California. We finally made it to California. It's been a long day and a long drive, and I'm exhausted. Oh, what the heck is this?
This is the border.
What?
Oh, beneath it.
Oh wow, man. We finally make it to California. It's so cloudy and foggy. I don't know which one is which. Sorry about hearing my beautiful voice. And right now we just gonna keep driving. Yeah, so 我们现在开车到了加州，然后已经还剩6个小时55分钟才到旧金山，然后我们现在真的不知道没有什么好看的在 ，and then outside view I'm talking about outside. OK. 然后现在就只是普通的路而已，然后雾很大，然后 blah 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 blah， 然后就这样了，然后七。OK.
Huh?
How do I look?
You look like you slept in a car last night.
Okay, after long hour drive, we finally made it to California by the whatever this beach called Clam Beach.
Clam Beach.
And then we are unboxing time. Unboxing video. No, like anime, for the whatever the first one I bought, just to improve your quality of watching my video. No, improve the video that I want to present to people. No, improve the video that I want to present to you. And then let's see.
Knife?
Okay, knife. Okay, thank you.
You got it.
And I've been watching so much YouTube video about this, and then see how great this is, and now we can actually test it in a foggy weather, I guess. Is it a weather?
No, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then let's swipe this open. It does not really look like what usually a YouTube unboxing video looks like. Okay, so At first we see a box with stuff, another box. Not that heavy, honestly. I can still bring it back to China. Okay, so when we open, what we see first is a drum. This is a drum. It's really light, and literally it's like same size as my cell phone. This is my cell phone, and this is the drum. And it's really light too. Like you can use it one finger.
Can I hold it? Wow, that's light.
Yeah, literally you can put it in your pocket.
Wow, it's lighter than it even.
And then a charger. Nothing interesting about this. You probably see enough video about this crap. And another battery. I mean, yeah, bad. Well, oh no, it's the remote control. Roasted. This is a big fail, but you know, you all forgive me. Yeah, and you put with some cable here connected here, and then you connect it with your phone, and then you control it. Okay, sorry guys that I'm too dumb. Did not board the SD card, could not fly, and we'll probably somehow make it works. Yeah, man. We don't know that we need it to actually first charge the battery to activate the battery first, and then you can use the battery. Maybe that is something that DJI need to improve or not. I guess it's just my problem.
Yeah, I love California.
I'll say, dude,
Yeah.
we hang out at the beach.
Like, what do you think is the difference, like in terms of the people, like from here and then LA?
Oh, to be intense stuff.
There's a lot more laid back here. It's a lot more busy in LA. Definitely.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know what should I say. Like, I probably don't want to say any political stuff in front of the camera.
Let's go keep it, yeah. But you get enough followers.
Okay, what do you think about the election?
Get Trump out of there.
Okay, so we only like 3 hours away from San Francisco, but meanwhile we are like visiting a little bit.
Okay, wait. I just turned the mic on, so
Okay, so we're only 3 hours away from San Francisco now, and then meanwhile, we according to Josh, he thinks this is a nice suggestion we should come, and maybe should listen to him. Why is it a place that we should come?
Because it's like a huge tree. I think it's a tree that's really gonna go straight. It's gonna really impress Elvis right here.
Look, that tree.
Yeah, look at that tree. That's the one. And drive right through that tree.
Okay, so we're gonna drive right through that tree.
Yeah, we're gonna drive right through that tree.
Should we like pull our mirror?
Yeah, fold the mirrors.
I
in.
thought it's better.
That's what the guy was saying.
They're going a little.
Yeah. Just don't crash into it. You know.
Is this like the biggest tree or what?
No, there's bigger trees, but this is the only one you can drive through.
Okay, it's just
Pretty big, isn't it?
for people like me who are lazy. I sit my butt on the nice leather seat.
Yeah. See, you could go through a tree without even getting out of your car.
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Oh, you want to see the?
Yeah, I mean, people don't want to just watch me talking.
Okay.
They're not interested in me. Whoa, Lord. So it's like, according to the sign, it's like 215 feet high and diameter of 21 feet. Yeah. Maximum age of 2,400 years. Yep.
I got this guy climbing out the top.
Yep. 这里前面有个人，他就不知道他在干什么，他爬出来，在那堵着那里，堵着那里，不让我们走。现 想上我觉得他应该想向我们收费。So we are driving through it. I hope we don't crash. I really, really hope I don't crash. It's time to test my Asian skill. Oh crap. Okay. Oh no. Almost gonna crash.
What'd you think of the tree?
Kinda cool.
Oh, shoot.
6.5 hours later.
It's been recording.
Okay.
All of this is being recorded.
Always.
Okay.
You miss your in and out.
Okay, so we're not gonna in and out like we've been trying to get it because I haven't get one like since like the
5 minutes later.
Okay,
Sorry.
and then man, I'm hungry, you know, like what's like, you know, have you ever heard about hungry?
Yeah.
Henry.
Hungry, yeah. And then but at least we don't really need to worry about where to sleep tonight. And yeah, I'll keep you informed. Peace out.
Peace out. 怎么看？
I'm not gonna lie to your fans.
Okay, yo, so what's up, everybody? So I finally make it to our nice friend's house and just make us some traditional, like Chinese kind of like I don't know how we call it, like a thing that you wrap with like rice.
The closest thing I could say is it's a rice pudding tamale that smells like tea and kind of has a bit of a brown sugary prune taste. It's pretty good.
Oh, you were saying that smell like what?
Tea?
Yeah, because the reason that you think that is because it was wrapped by this kind of stuff. Yeah, in the leaves, and then you steam it. Yeah. Yep. What's your first impression?
It's pretty great. I love it.
Okay.
Testing. Say some stuff.
Say something. Okay, so blah 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 blah.
Okay. Keep talking. I'm gonna shake it around a little bit.
And then switch that screen over. And then do
So
that.
switching screen.
And then sorry, do that.
Hopping screen. I could see why when you adjust it, bumping into this might be an issue. Okay, so the screen's now folded out, facing back.
Recording?
Oh yeah.
Right channel. Right channel. Left channel. Right channel. Left channel. Left channel. Left channel. Left channel. Right channel. This left channel, right channel, left channel, right channel, left channel, left channel, right channel, right channel, left channel, right channel, right channel, right channel, right channel, left channel, right channel, right channel, left channel, right channel, right channel, right channel, left channel, left channel. That's probably good.